is technology advancing faster than our ability to understand its implications? This question rings especially true in our current age of rapid innovation. The past decade has seen a veritable explosion in technological advancements, with one of the most significant trends being the emergence of augmented reality. Augmented reality is not just a flashy gadget or a passing fad. Rather, it's an innovative tool that holds immense potential to revolutionize various sectors. From the way we work, learn, and play, to how we interact with the world around us, augmented reality could dramatically transform our everyday life. The implications of this technology extend far beyond mere convenience or entertainment. It has the potential to disrupt traditional industries, create new forms of interaction, and even redefine our understanding of reality itself. So let's dive into the world of augmented reality and explore its potential. To truly understand the power of augmented reality, one must see it in action. Consider the healthcare industry, where augmented reality has begun to revolutionize procedures. Surgeons are using this technology to overlay medical images directly onto a patient's body. This allows them to see inside the body without making a single incision, leading to more accurate and less invasive surgeries. In education, augmented reality is bringing lessons to life. Imagine dissecting a virtual frog in biology class or walking on the moon in a physics lesson. This interactive learning approach has been shown to increase student engagement and improve knowledge retention. The retail industry is another field reaping the benefits of augmented reality. Customers can now try on clothes or place furniture in their homes, all through their smartphone screens. These virtual fitting rooms and showrooms offer a convenient and personalized shopping experience, reducing returns and boosting sales. Augmented reality is even being used to preserve history. Museums and historical sites are using this technology to create immersive exhibits. Visitors can interact with artifacts, view 3D reconstructions of ancient ruins, and even meet virtual historical figures, all enhancing their understanding and appreciation of the past. These cases are just the tip of the iceberg, illustrating the diverse applications and immense potential of augmented reality. As we have seen, augmented reality is more than just a passing trend. It's a transformative technology, already influencing diverse fields from education to healthcare, from gaming to real estate. As we move forward, it's poised to become an integral part of our daily lives, revolutionizing the way we learn, work, and play. The evolution is ongoing, and the possibilities seem limitless. Augmented reality is shaping the future, and we are just at the beginning of understanding its full potential.